Unlock the future of interface design by harnessing the creative power of AI. Today, we're diving deep into how you can leverage Midjourney to generate incredible UI, UX design elements and concepts for your web and app projects. Forget staring at a blank canvas. Midjourney can be your ultimate creative partner. The key to unlocking the journey's potential for UI, UX lies in mastering prompt engineering. Think of your prompts as detailed briefs to an AI design assistant. Start by being specific about the type of interface you want. For instance, generate a clean and modern mobile app interface for a productivity tool, featuring a dark mode theme and prominent call-to-action buttons. When crafting your prompts, consider the overall aesthetic. Do you want minimalist, brutalist, neomorphic, or something completely unique? Use descriptive keywords to guide the AI for a website layout. Try something like, design a responsive website layout for a photography portfolio, emphasizing large, impactful imagery and elegant typography, with a light and airy feel. You can even generate specific UI components. Want a sleek set of custom icons for your ad? Prompt it: create a set of minimalist, outline icons for a travel app, including landmarks, transportation, and weather, with a consistent line weight. To create more refined mockups, you can incorporate existing design principles into your prompts, mentioning user experience elements like intuitive navigation, clear information hierarchy, or engaging user flow can help Midjourney understand your desired outcome. Don't be afraid to iterate, experiment with different phrasing, add negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements, and explore various aspect ratios for your desired output. Midjourney is a powerful tool for brainstorming and visualizing your UI UX ideas. By strategically crafting your prompts, you can generate truly inspiring visual assets and accelerate your design process, bringing your web and app visions to life like never before. Start exploring, start prompting, and revolutionize your UI UX design workflow.